Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Fender Passport Conference S2 portable PA system. I've looked through the internet, checked what people are saying about this system, compared it with similar portable PA setups, and in this video I'll help you decide whether this is actually worth buying or if you should skip it. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the biggest thing that makes the Fender Passport Conference S2 stand out is portability. Fender designed this system almost like a suitcase, so everything packs together neatly and becomes super easy to carry around. That's honestly a huge advantage for people who travel frequently for events, teachers who move between classrooms, churches, wedding hosts, or musicians doing small gigs. Instead of carrying multiple heavy speakers and separate mixers, you basically grab one compact setup and you're ready to go. Now let's talk about the sound, because that's obviously the most important part of any PA system. The Passport Conference S2 delivers 175 watts of RMS power, and for small to medium-sized environments, that is actually pretty solid. I found that this system focuses more on vocal clarity rather than earth-shaking bass, which honestly makes sense considering it's designed for conferences, speeches, presentations, and acoustic performances. Voices come through clean and understandable, and that's exactly what you want during events where communication matters most. One thing I really like is the built-in 5-channel mixer. Fender gives you multiple combo inputs for microphones and instruments, plus AUX connections for phones, laptops, and media devices. On top of that, Bluetooth streaming is included, which makes things much more convenient. You can easily play background music during presentations, stream tracks for small gatherings, or connect your device wirelessly without dealing with extra cables everywhere. It's a small feature, but in real-world use it makes the setup feel modern and user-friendly. Another reason why this bundle is attractive is because it includes accessories that people usually end up buying separately anyway. You're getting speaker stands for better sound projection, a cardioid microphone for vocals or speeches, and the required cables to get started immediately. That makes this package much more beginner-friendly because you don't need to spend extra time researching compatible accessories after buying the main system. After looking through online discussions and user experiences, most people seem genuinely impressed with how simple and reliable the Passport Conference S2 is. A lot of buyers mention how quickly they can set everything up, which is extremely important during live events or presentations where time matters. The compact design also makes storage easy, especially if you don't have space for a large professional PA system. Of course, this isn't meant to replace a massive concert-grade setup. If you're planning to perform for huge crowds or need deep bass-heavy sound for large music events, this system probably won't be enough. But honestly, that's not what Fender designed it for. This is more about convenience, clarity, portability, and ease of use. And in those areas, it performs really well. So, would I recommend buying the Fender Passport Conference S2 portable PA system bundle? Honestly, yes. Especially if you need a reliable, portable sound system for speaking events, teaching, worship gatherings, acoustic performances, business presentations, or small entertainment setups. The combination of portability, clean vocal performance, Bluetooth connectivity, and included accessories makes it a very practical package for a wide range of users. It's easy to use, easy to carry, and it delivers exactly what most people expect from a compact PA system without making things complicated.